We'll practice identifying linear and nonlinear patterns from sequences. Here's the problem. We have two patterns. Pattern A, 2, 5, 8, 11, and so on. Pattern B, 1, 2, 4, 8, and so on. For each pattern, state whether it is linear or nonlinear, describe the rate of change, and predict the sixth term. First, let's look at pattern A. 2, 5, 8, 11, and so on. Find the first differences. 5 minus 2 is 3, 8 minus 5 is 3, 11 minus 8 is 3. The differences are constant at plus 3, so pattern A is linear. The rate of change is plus 3 per term. Extend the pattern. 11 plus 3 is 14, 14 plus 3 is 17, so the sixth term is 17. Now let's look at pattern B. 1, 2, 4, 8, and so on. Check the ratio. 2 divided by 1 is 2, 4 divided by 2 is 2, 8 divided by 4 is 2. Each term is multiplied by 2. The first differences are 1, 2, 4, which increase, so pattern B is nonlinear. The rate of change is multiplicative, times 2, so it grows faster each time. Extend. 8 times 2 is 16, 16 times 2 is 32, so the sixth term is 32. Remember, linear patterns have constant first differences, while nonlinear patterns have changing differences or a constant ratio.